If you want to watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 live without cable. If you want to watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 live without cable, there are several streaming options available. One of the easiest ways is through live TV streaming services like YouTube TV, which often includes official sports broadcasters showing World Cup matches. Services like Hulu with live TV may also carry channels broadcasting the games, depending on your region. If you're looking for free options, you can check the official FIFA YouTube channel for highlights, clips, and occasional live coverage. Another great option is FIFA Plus, which may offer select matches, replays, and extended highlights for free. You should also check local broadcasters in your country, since some networks provide free live streaming through their apps or websites during major tournaments. Keep in mind that full live match availability depends on broadcasting rights and may vary by location. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.